What if I told you some lakes reflect skies that never existed? Deep in Namibia's Namib Desert, shimmering lakes seem to mirror fluffy clouds, yet the sky above is crystal clear. Locals call them phantom waters. Even seasoned travelers have lost their way, fooled by these optical illusions. Some say spirits haunt these places, forever guarding their secrets. Earth hides strange wonders. How many have you missed? Follow for more unbelievable mysteries from around the globe.